What if the greatest threats to our health didn't happen all at once? What if they happened quietly, one small step at a time? At Healthy Two Connections, we believe brain health isn't just a medical issue, it's a community issue. This is the story of how one family's unimaginable loss became a movement to illuminate the path forward for countless others. For Priscilla Agnew-Hines, brain health isn't just research, it's personal. After losing her son, Larry E. Agnew, she made an extraordinary decision. Rather than allowing tragedy to become the end of the story, she chose to donate Larry's brain to science, creating an opportunity for researchers to better understand conditions that continue to impact families every single day. That one courageous decision reminds us that even in our darkest moments, we can create hope for future generations. Brain health challenges rarely arrive overnight. Whether it's depression, substance use, cognitive decline, or neurological disease, they often begin with subtle changes that are easy to overlook. And that's why awareness matters. The sooner communities recognize these early signs, the greater our opportunity to intervene, support, and change the outcomes. Brain health touches every part of life. Researchers help us understand the science. Business leaders recognize its impact in the workplace. Advocates confront the realities affecting families and relationships. No single profession can solve these challenges alone. Progress happens when every sector works together. Healthy Two Connections believes that lasting change happens when science meets strategy, and strategy reaches the community. Research generates the knowledge. Partnerships transform that knowledge into practical solutions. And then those solutions are delivered directly to the people who need them most. That's what it means to evolve in order to solve. Real transformation begins with one simple decision: showing up. Showing up to learn, showing up to ask questions, showing up to connect with experts, advocates, and neighbors. Every single conversation increases awareness. Every connection builds stronger communities. And every person who shows up becomes a part of the solution. That's why Healthy Two Connections is bringing these conversations beyond the hospitals and the research centers and directly into the community. At the Black Women's Expo in Chicago, thousands of people will have the opportunity to engage with brain health experts, explore valuable resources, participate in meaningful discussions, and discover practical ways to protect their own brain health and the well-being of those they love. Education creates awareness. Awareness inspires action, and action changes lives. Every one of us has a choice. We can ignore the warning signs, or we can begin the conversation. We can wait for someone else to act, or we can become a part of the movement. Priscilla Agnew-Hines chose to transform unimaginable loss into lasting hope. Now it's our turn. Join Healthy Two Connections as we continue illuminating brain health, strengthening communities, and proving that together we truly can evolve to solve.